I've studied the Advanced Diploma of Building Design Architectural. Always been a passion of mine, building design and architecture, and didn't get in straight out of high school. So I studied accounting for 2 years and then eventually realised this isn't what I want to do. Tried to get into this field of work, deferred accounting, and then applied for this course at several other places and lucky enough to get the opportunity at Box Hill to study. During my time at Box Hill, I really enjoyed the mateship you have with everyone in the class, because you spend every single class with the same people, you really get to know them, whereas at university you might see the one person here or there once a week, if that. So I really like how you get involved with everyone in the group and really enjoy the teaching staff. If it wasn't for them, I probably wouldn't have got through the course and learnt everything I did. They were really helpful and sort of, I guess, getting to know them on sort of like a friend level instead of looking at them as a teacher, where they can really connect and really help you and progress through your studies, and they actually care about what you do. Everyone loves to own their own business one day, so obviously that's my biggest dream. But I would like to further my study in architecture and eventually become an architect. I was lucky enough to get an employment opportunity while I was completing my 3rd year at Lateral Building Design in Heathmont. So I'm currently still working there on a full-time contract and commencing study at Deakin University in July, and I'll look to manage both of them part-time. I'm very excited about new developing technologies and the way that trends are going in our industry with the way buildings are being designed and what clients and people are after. I think that 3D technology will really aid our industry because it gives us and the clients perspective on what their finished product's going to look like. Obviously, if we can see it in 3D, it helps us design it better, it helps us construct it better. Nowadays, you have to actually go get a qualification, study to get a job, whereas back 10, 20 years, you could have gone straight out of school and gone straight into the workforce where you do most of your learning there, whereas opposed to coming to, say, Box Hill and study.